Alright friends, let's review these toys. Oh, there are many toys. And there is Kubu here, my kitten. Oh, Kubu is playing with dinosaur. Check it out. Oh, Kubu like dinosaur. This is yellow dinosaur. Oh, look at that. Kubu, are you afraid of dinosaur? Hey. Oh, Kubu, afraid of dinosaur. Alright. And here I have, what is it? Animal. Zebra. Alright friends, the color of a zebra is black and white. Let's give this zebra to Kubu, my kitten. Hey, Kubu, where will you go? Oh, Kubu getting closer with the mask. Alright friends, my kitten and I have Spider-Man mask.
Was just the start, and that spider bite actually started a mutation that's going to mutate him further.
Oh, this is so cool. Spider-Man mask. I do like Spider-Man. And let's take my kitten here. Hey, stay here. Don't escape from this bucket. Hey, Puma. Alright, I have oddbods. Oh, this is so cute. He has many face. Oh, his face is changed. Check it out. Oh, sad, happy, and upset. Oh, this is so cute. Hello, Pumba. And this is Abang. This is so cute. My kitten. Alright. I have dinosaur. The color of dinosaur is purple. What kind dinosaur is it? I don't know. Alright, let's put this dinosaur down.